I get it. You want to impress her. You want her to get her attention. You want her to approach you. I'm going to help you out. Today, I'm going to show you 7 ways you can impress any girl. And shoot, I think now, most of these, you don't even have to talk. For example, number 1, fix your energy. Think about it. Every time you have to go out, you're dragging your feet. You're thinking, oh man, I don't feel like going out. Oh man, I don't feel like going out there. And then once you're there, you're like, oh man, I don't want to be here. Oh man, nobody's even talking to me. Oh bro, this is annoying. Like, that's what's going through your head the whole time. And when that's what's going through your head, I promise you your body language and your exterior are reflecting that. No one's gonna want to talk to you. So even though it's hard, even though you're probably an introvert, you're going to have to socialize if you want to meet somebody new. Meaning you have to change your mindset. Yo, I can't wait to go out. Yo, I can't wait to see who I meet. Once you're there, do not hide behind a phone and force yourself to make friends. Yo, that person looks dope. Yo, I want to go talk. Like feel that inside, and I promise you, in the first couple times, it's still going to be awkward, but the more you get accustomed to that, the more you get accustomed to fixing your energy, the more personable, the more friendly you're going to look, and the higher the chances it is that somebody is going to take notice and want to approach you. 2, pay attention to your appearance. I'm not going to lie to you. People judge books by covers. We don't live in La La Land. What you wear matters. How you dress matters. If you're not paying attention to how you're dressing, you already are losing. So if you want to grab attention or you want to impress that girl, learn what works best for your body type. Learn what looks best when you wear it. What makes you look more athletic, taller, leaner, more athletic. The point is, most men aren't doing this because they think it's pointless. You doing it will set you apart, and I promise you will get you the attention that you're looking for. 3, smell better than other men. Most men, I would say over 85% of men probably walk around with their natural musk. Meaning, they walk around with whatever scent comes from their body. You can be a difference. You can manipulate that. Remember, people are making micro judgments of you every split second. Anything that you can control gives you an edge. If you can control how good you smell, why aren't you doing that? And shoot, take it an extra step. Smell as unique as possible. Make some sense around. I was telling you about this a few weeks ago. Yo, for example, if you have our Santa Lucia collection, there's 3 fragrances there. All 3 smell amazing. Nothing's stopping you from grabbing your favorite one and then mixing it with another fragrance. Make a whole new scent. That's the dope part with fragrance. You can start wearing scents how you like. Whatever gets you elevated. Because at the end of the day, what makes you attractive is not just that you smell good, is that you yourself love how you smell, and that confidence elevates you. Bro, if you don't have fragrances that excite you every morning when you apply them, you gotta check out Santa Lucia, because I'm gonna do that for you. If you guys click the link down below and check out our Santa Lucia collection, our dark collection, we have 3 fragrances, which is Azabache, Love, and Gala. Those 3 fragrances, I promise you, will get you excited every time you throw them on, because they are just so luxurious. They smell so good that in any room you enter, I promise you, you'll be the problem. You'll be the guy people are looking to, and that's where I want to get you. So I'm going to hook it up right now. If you guys click the link down below now, I'm going to give you $200 off. You heard that right. $200 off the set of 3. I'm basically gifting away $200 today. I'm not stopping there. I'm also going to gift you 2 of our travel set bottles. You get each one's $50. That's $100. Shoot, I'm giving away $300 and it ain't even Christmas. Imagine what I'm going to do for Christmas. Boys, if you want to start smelling good, this is the deal of a lifetime. If you guys want to check it out, it'll be linked down below and it's only going to last for the next 24 hours. Number 4, have good looking friends. Get rid of those bums. All those dudes that look like bums, don't take care of themselves, have no ambitions, still live with mommy and daddy, and have nothing going for them, stop being friends with them. You're wasting your time. You do not understand that those losers are making you a loser. It is so much easier to go down the path of least resistance, meaning that if you are surrounding yourself with men that have no ambition to be better, look better, and do great things, guess what's going to happen? You're going to fall down that same rabbit hole. And what you don't understand is that you not only become who you hang around with, you also get judged the same. This is called the cheerleader effect. In other words, if you're just hanging around powerful men, men that go to the gym, that lift, that look great, that take care of their appearance, that dress well, that have ambitions, that have goals, that are going to school, that are building businesses, if you hang around those men, what ends up happening is, if you pull up with 5 of those guys, girls will judge you as a group. This is called the cheerleader effect. So now, they're not just judging you on a scale of 1 to 10. They're thinking, yo, that whole group is attractive. And that elevates your attractiveness. 5, get social proof. This one's a little bit hard. I should have made this the last one because it's like the final arc in your development. In other words, the more you develop your game and how you look and etc., you want to be around other girls. Because for whatever reason, not whatever reason, scientifically it's proven, women want men that have been pre-selected. This is why married men are desirable. This is why men in relationships are desirable. Because once you've been pre-selected by another female, women assume that you have the traits to be a great partner. And the more attractive that female is, the more attractive those other girls that want you will be as well. Number 6, take up space. In any social gathering that you're ever at, or wherever you're at, take up the space that you need. And I'm not telling you to be a douchebag. Always respect if there's more people around. But don't be the dude that crumples up in a corner to become as small as possible to go unnoticed. You have to take the space that you need. Usually, you want to take up that power pose, which means shoulder width apart, which means your feet are shoulder width apart, you're standing strong, your shoulders back, your head high. This power pose, think of it as the Superman pose, has been proven to even elevate your levels of testosterone because of how powerful you feel. And ultimately, number 7, things are going great. She got your attention. Your boy Jose hooked you up. Now that you guys are talking, you want to lean in. Everybody has a personal bubble. Everybody has it. And that bubble can only be broken by family members or somebody that they want to be sexually intimate with, because that bubble no longer becomes existent. You want to press into that bubble slightly, slowly as the conversation progresses. If you notice that they don't pull back, you're in.